associated with Hyderabad Youth Assembly for all the 4 years, and I can say this with utmost confidence that HYA is quite unparalleled when it comes to the kind of experience and exposure that it provides. It is the single most greatest learning opportunity that a student could ever have. And it not just helps you grow as a leader, but it helps you grow as a person. You work with diverse set of people, you make friends, you make memories, you learn how to be a part of a team, how to lead a team, how to deal with difficult, unpredictable situations. All this is going to help you out so much in life, both professionally as well as personally. But to get the best out of HYA, you have to give in your best too. You have to put in a lot of efforts. You have to be completely committed and dedicated throughout the term, and that is when you make the most out of HYA. But apart from all this, HYA is just pure fun. It's a ball of a time. Man, I miss HYA.
Hello everyone, this is Prabandha here. I was a part of Hyderabad Youth Assembly 2014-15. It was one of the auspicious moments of my life. Whenever I think about the assembly, I still get goosebumps. This is the feeling I've achieved through Hyderabad Youth Assembly. I've learned many things through Hyderabad Youth Assembly. I've learned how to work in a team, how to react to situations, how to face challenges, and many more things because of Hyderabad Youth Assembly. I've got a great circle also through Hyderabad Youth Assembly. You'll have people who can guide you. You'll know how to react to many kind of silly problems or things you get in your life because of this. It teaches you a lot, so it's one of the best platforms you can have for your development, personal development, as well as communication skills, as well as you'll have a great exposure. This is what I've achieved through Hyderabad Youth Assembly. The events you do and the memories you make up are forever and ever. The bonding you get through this Hyderabad Youth Assembly is totally different from what you've faced till now in your life. I've already undergone through this phase. Now it's your turn. Hope the legacy continues.